So today we're going to be deleting the secondary vacuum pump in the E36 just to kind of help clear out room a little bit and at the same time delete a little bit of weight. And because this is a budget project, we're going to build our own delete plate for this piece right here. It's a really easy project. That's really the only part you're going to need in order to make this work, aside from a way to cap that off. And we're just going to use a nail and a zip tie just to keep that tube from getting anything in it. So this is the bulk item here. It's really easy to take off. There's a hose clamp here and a little plastic piece that just kind of sits here. At some point it is mounted. In our car it wasn't, it was kind of just dangling. So I'm not exactly sure where that needs to mount. There's also a plug in the bottom. You just need to unplug that. This will probably save about 5 pounds worth of weight and a ton of room.
So this is a scrap piece of steel we're gonna be using. You can use aluminum or steel. If you use steel, make sure that you get all the rust off of it. Like I said, this was scrap, so it's just sitting on the back. We're gonna use some rust reformer. We've used this a lot. So once we get this cut out right here and drill our 2 holes, we will be mounting it to the car and then putting some of this on it so it doesn't get any worse. So obviously if you have any tools that cut metal better than an angle grinder, use those. In our case, this is basically all we've got. So we're gonna be doing this with the angle grinder. This will just show you actually how easy it is to build one of these. If you bought this piece, it would cost you between $15 to $25. So you're not saving a ton of money, but we just don't wanna wait for the part to come in. So we're just gonna be building it. So we have it all cut out and smooth around the edges. It is a little bit big, but that's okay. You'd rather have it a little bit too big than a little too small. We have marked out where the holes are gonna need to be drilled. This was a super fast project, definitely worth it. Took us about 20 minutes. In fact, it's gonna take longer for us to go over to O'Reilly to go and pick up a sheet of gasket to cut out for this than it actually took to build this. So we're gonna be drilling the holes and then we'll be good to go.